for Hamilton Boys High School.
Okay, got it on my side, Mike. We've got Forest View High School. Like that, Mike.
Put your hands together for Fraser High School.
All right. I've got the next one. All the way from Tokoroa High School. Woo! Get off!
Okay. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for Sacred Heart Girls High School. Woo.
Yeah, not bad. Okay, someone from Tiarawa, we got Rotorua Girls High School.
Give them a big hand.
Awesome.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together from Melville High School.
All right. One more on my side. We've got Hamilton Girls High School. The high school.
I gotta tell you, brother, it's very hard to pick a winner. But I think the people that need to get out here on the stage are all those people that have been working hard at the back of the stage. The crew from Pacific Nature. Put your hands together for the crew that have been working out the back. Pacific Nature! I got a stitch.
I'm dying here. Right. Okay, gee, we had 9 participants, we had 9 schools. I think we need to get it down to 3.
I have a winner for myself. You have a favorite, I have a favorite.
Yeah, I got a favorite here.
You do your favorite, then I'll do my one.
Oh, is it like that?
Yeah.
Like that?
Or you want me to do my one and then you do your one?
Me.
Okay. My winner is going to be someone from my team. I pick. This is my winner.
Yeah. Mike.
Your winner.
I got one. All the way. Now, ladies and gentlemen, she wants the stage by herself. All the way from Tokoroa High.
Thank you very much to all our drummers. We'll give that to our first winner.
Yeah.
Where's our first winner that went out the back?
The guy.
Oh, we know where you are. And then we might as well... Oh, bro, come and get your prize. Congratulations.
New FM, thank you very much. Oh, it's Beyonce.
You got much energy.
And the second prize to Tokoroa High School. Awesome,